I know orange chicken is popular, but have y'all ever tried orange shrimp? Come on, get in here, let me show you how to make it. Alright, here I have some extra large jumbo shrimp that has already been peeled, cleaned, and washed. Here I will add some soy sauce and I will add some oyster sauce. In this bowl I have some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, and some cornstarch. You want to mix well to combine and set aside. Here I've been preheating some oil and we'll go ahead and fry the shrimp for about 1.5 minutes per side. Once done, you want to remove and set aside. Look how gorgeous they look. Once you set them aside, you want to carry on with the next batch until you're all done. Now let's prepare the sauce. To a separate pot, I will add some of that same oil and I will add a little sesame oil. You want to let them heat up and then in with your aromatics. I'm going to add some onions, garlic and ginger, and some orange zest. Mix well to combine and allow to go for about 1 minute or 2. Next, I will add some chili paste or gochujang. If you don't have that, you can add some sriracha hot sauce. This will give it a nice vibrant color. And once you add that, you want to mix well, and then we will come in with about 1/2 of an orange. I did cut it up, add it in, and mix well and allow to go for about a few seconds or so before we come in with some orange juice. Once the orange juice is added, you want to add some soy sauce and some brown sugar. Mix well and allow that to come up to a mild simmer. Once it starts to simmer, you want to add a cornstarch slurry, give it a good stir, and allow it to thicken. Let it go for about 1 minute or so. Once it thickens like this, that is when you want to introduce your shrimp back into the pot. So here we're going to add our shrimp. Once it's added, you want to give it a good stir, and that's basically it, guys. It's all done, quick, easy, and simple. But let me tell you, it was absolutely amazing. I don't think y'all understand how well citrus pairs with seafood. This is so good. I think it's better than orange chicken. The taste was absolutely divine. All the potent flavors came right through, and I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. So let me plate it up and show you guys the reveal and the finished product. Here you have it, my version of orange shrimp. I did pair it with some steamed rice and steamed broccoli, and it was chef's kiss. Like I said, go for this recipe. You would not be disappointed. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. And I'll leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.